Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by gathering official documents, your ID, birth certificate, and any legal name change order for your father. Once you have them, sign into your SSO account and confirm two-factor authentication is active so changes save securely. Navigate directly to Profile, then Personal Details, and choose Edit Name. You do this because the system validates documents immediately. Starting here avoids delays and ensures you can upload files in the correct format when prompted. Next, you upload the required scans. Use clear PDF or JPEG files at about 300 dpi so the verification team can read them. Fill every field carefully: current father name, requested corrected name, reason for change, and the effective date, because mismatches cause rejections. If an affidavit or court order is required, attach it now. Once uploaded, review spellings and document names. Make sure to click Submit for verification. Finally, you wait for the confirmation email and note the reference ID so you can track progress. If the request is approved, the SSO record updates automatically. If it's rejected, the message will state the reason: incorrect document, mismatch, or poor image quality, so you can correct and resubmit. Make sure to contact the help desk with your reference ID after 5 business days if there's no response, because support can escalate verification manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.